Are you looking for the best skin UV extra body lotion? In this video we will look at some of the best skin UV extra body lotion on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vaseline Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Brightening Body Lotion. Every touch tells a story of care, and the smooth sensation left behind whispers luxury. The 300ml Vaseline Daily Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Brightening Body Lotion turns everyday moments into comforting rituals, enveloping the skin in gentle nourishment. Its rich texture glides effortlessly, absorbing without any heaviness, leaving behind a luminous glow that makes the skin feel cherished. Each application feels like a soothing embrace that restores softness and natural shine, creating a radiant look that attracts attention effortlessly. The unique blend works like a refreshing drink for dry skin, offering lasting hydration for 48 hours. Helping the body feel fresh and pampered throughout the day. It transforms dull skin into a visibly brighter canvas, awakening hidden beauty with every layer. The lightweight serum-inspired formula elevates self-care, making regular moisturizing feel indulgent. It is not just a lotion, it becomes a daily act of love, encouraging confidence and elegance. The gentle fragrance lingers subtly, making every moment feel beautifully unforgettable. Number 2. Niacinamide Skin Brightening Cream Vaseline Healthy. Every drop of Niacinamide Skin Brightening Cream Vaseline Healthy Bright Glow Daily Moisturizer wraps the skin in comforting care that feels both refreshing and uplifting. Its smooth, silky texture melts into the body like a gentle touch, awakening tired and dull skin with a natural-looking glow that radiates confidence. The nourishing formula gives the skin a renewed softness, helping it look brighter and healthier over time. Each use becomes a small self-care ritual, transforming daily moisturizing into a moment of calm and luxury. The lightweight texture glides beautifully, allowing the skin to breathe while soaking in lasting hydration that keeps it feeling supple throughout the day. Its delicate scent adds a subtle freshness, leaving behind a beautifully cared-for feeling that lingers long after application. Regular use turns ordinary care into something special, giving the body the attention it truly deserves. The soothing sensation boosts inner confidence, making skin feel cared for, cherished, and ready to shine naturally in any moment. Number 3. Vaseline Deep Moisturizing Repair Skin Body Lotion. The 725ml Vaseline Deep Moisturizing Repair Soothing Brightening Skin Moisturizing Vaseline Cocoa Body Lotion surrounds the skin with a nurturing touch that feels warm and comforting. Its velvety texture glides effortlessly, embracing dryness and turning it into lasting softness that feels beautifully renewed. The rich cocoa scent gently lingers, creating a sense of calm and warmth that makes each moment of self-care feel special. With every application, dull and tired skin begins to regain its natural glow, feeling smoother, healthier, and more radiant. The deep moisturizing effect helps the body stay hydrated for long hours, making the skin feel cherished and well cared for throughout the day. It is more than just a lotion, it becomes a daily act of kindness that boosts confidence and leaves the skin looking visibly brightened. Each use feels like wrapping the body in gentle care, restoring comfort and softness in a way that touches both the skin and the senses, turning regular moisturizing into a luxurious ritual. Number 4. Vaseline Gluta-Hya Flawless Glow Cream. The 300ml Vaseline Gluta-Hya Flawless Glow Cream Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Body Lotion surrounds the skin with a gentle touch that feels refreshing and elegant. Its silky texture glides smoothly, awakening dull areas with a radiant finish that makes the body look beautifully luminous. Each application feels like a soft caress, bringing out a natural brightness that boosts inner confidence and enhances the skin's appearance. The lightweight creamy blend sinks in effortlessly, leaving the body feeling pampered without any heaviness. Its soothing scent creates a calming atmosphere, turning daily moisturizing into a relaxing self-care moment that uplifts the mood. With regular use, the skin begins to reveal a refined glow, feeling softer, smoother, and healthier every day. It transforms ordinary care into something special, nurturing the skin with attention and love. The radiant look it delivers makes every touch feel luxurious, inspiring a sense of beauty that shines naturally from within, making skincare feel like a cherished daily ritual. Number 5. 100 ml/400 ml Vaseline Body Lotion. The 100 ml and 400 ml Vaseline Body Lotion Whitening Moisturizer for Chicken Skin Treatment Brightening Skincare surrounds the skin with a comforting touch that feels smooth and nurturing. Its soft creamy texture spreads gently, bringing a sense of relief to rough areas and helping the skin look more refined and even. Each application feels like a soothing moment, transforming dullness into a naturally radiant finish that enhances beauty with every use. The hydrating blend melts into the skin without heaviness, leaving behind a delicate scent that lingers softly throughout the day. It turns simple moisturizing into a calming ritual, making the body feel cared for and refreshed. With consistent use, the skin begins to reveal a luminous, healthy glow that reflects confidence and self-care. This thoughtful skincare companion elevates daily routines, wrapping the body in nourishing moisture that restores smoothness and softness. It makes every touch feel luxurious, inspiring a sense of comfort and brightness that lasts, turning ordinary care into something truly special.